من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A very warm welcome to all my Quran fellows, sisters and brothers to understand Al-Quran the easy way, part 2 grammar, chapter 13. So we'll start with using TPI. We hear it, we see it, we think about it, we say it, we show it to each other by pointing our fingers. Of course, we love it because it's Allah's kalam that we are learning, alhamdulillah, and we do it together. So let's go through some slides which we are familiar with. Okay, we know there are three types of Arabic words: noun, verbs, and particles. Let's go to verb. Yesterday we have started like fe'l mudare. So let's take a look at few verbs: fa'ala, fataha, nathara, daraba. Okay, these are salasi mujarrad, like three root letters. Okay, three types of verbs: that which is done madi, mudare, and amr. That which is done is madi, that which will be done in the present, which will be done in the future, or which is being done in the present is mudare, and command or request is representing fe'l amr. So let's take a look at this table. Yesterday we have already gone through fa'ala, ja'ala, and fataha, three verbs. So now just take a look at these faster and then we'll go to the next step, inshallah. So from fa'ala, we made yaf'alu. Okay, we will just change the direction of the finger in a way that it is inclined upwards for fe'l mudare. Okay, for fe'l madi, we used to do it like 180 degrees straight. Okay, so let's do it. For fa'ala, fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna, fa'alat. Okay, so we will do for the mudare like this: yaf'alu, yaf'aluna, taf'alu, af'alu, taf'aluna, naf'alu. Okay, so yeah, same goes for yaj'alu or ja'ala, the second verb which we have read yesterday. So it was yaj'alu, yaj'aluna, taj'alu, aj'alu, taj'aluna, naj'alu. Okay, then and ja'ala means like he makes or he will make. Okay, so then we go to yaftahu. Fataha. Fataha, from Fataha, how we make it into Mudare, the table is like Yaftahu, Yaftahuna, Taftahu, Aftahu, Taftahuna, Naftahu. Okay, means he opens or he will open, they open or they will open. So it represents present tense and the future tense. Let's focus on the second set now. Second set will be Nathara, Khalaqa, Zakara, Abada. Okay. The highlighted ones like Zakara and Abada will be on
Sorry,
the
I
screen.
cannot see the screen. Can you please share your screen because we can't see anything?
Screen is already shared, sister. Please rejoin yourself. Maybe your internet is having some problem.
Sure.
Audio video is clear. Please continue.
Okay, okay, okay. Nas, okay. Sister, please try and rejoin. Uh, let's start with the second set. Okay, we Nasara means he held. Okay, we have done it in the fail madi form. Yani fail madi we have done. Now we will go to the mudare of Nasara, khalaqa, zakara, abada. Okay, Nasara means he held. So it will be young sur. Okay, let's go to the slide. So it will be easier for you to relate. Okay, so present or future it will represent. So young suru, he helps like in present, or he will help in the future. Okay, same goes for young suruna, the plural, but we will point with our fingers inclined upwards, a bit upwards, so to differentiate between fail madi and fail mudare. Okay, so young suruna, they help in the present or they will help in the future. Okay, tang suru, you help or you will help in the future. Okay, ansuru, I help or I will help in the future. Tang suruna, you all helped, you all help in the present or you all will help in the future. Okay, nansuru, we all help in the present or we all will help in the future. So I want any volunteer for this slide, like Nasara. Any sister or brother who wants to volunteer and repeat this table?
Yansuru, he help. Yansuruna, they help. Tansuru, you help. Ansuru, I help. Tansuruna, you all help. Nansuru, we help.
Jazakallah, sister, you did the TPI, like you pointed with your fingers while saying it, while reading it. Hopefully, yes. If you point with your fingers, you will remember it easily.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, perfect, mashallah. See, okay, there you can see this Nasara, Nasaru, like a bit blur on this screen, like fail Madi of the same verb, Madi form. Okay, you can see that the starting in the Mazi form remains the same, but the ending used to be changed. Like we have studied it with the help of an aeroplane's tail, like in the Mazi, the backside, the backside represents Madi, of course. So endings used to change, like nasara, ru, ta, tu, tum, na. Okay, but in this the tactic will be like in fail mudare, the beginning will change. Okay, yansuru, yansuru, tansuru, ansuru, tansuru, na, nansuru. Okay, so the beginnings will ta, a, ta, na, na. The beginning will change in case of fail mudare. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, there is a dialogue session with Fele Mudare of the verb Nasara. Okay, I will probably, how many participants? Okay, any two of you want to volunteer? Like any two of you, one can ask the question and the other one can answer. Like the dialogues. Hal means what? Okay, I will ask question and anyone can answer. Okay, we'll have a dialogue session. Okay,
I am.
two people are muted. Yeah, so I will ask the question. Hal yansuru?
Naam yansuru.
Okay. Hal yansuruna?
Naam yansuruna.
Hal tansuru?
Naam ansuru.
Naam ansuru. When I asked you, did you help? You said yes, I helped. Okay. Hal tansuruna?
Naam nansur.
Perfect. MashaAllah. So you probably all have understood the meaning or the context of these sentences, right? Let's go to the next slide. Okay, like in English also we have studied, like for any noun we have like active voice and passive voice, right? So in this case also the normal scenario would be like, if I'm taking a name, okay, Zaid. So in general, when it is used as active voice, so we call it Zaidun. Okay, but in case of passive voice, when the action is being done on Zaid, or it like book or anything, so it will be Zaidan. Okay, we'll just come to know in the next slide. What I'm trying to say is, like active voice and passive voice, Zaidun we call in general a noun, it's a name in general, while when it becomes an object, as it comes as a passive voice, it becomes Zaidan. Okay, let's do the dialogues and you guys will understand. Hal yansuru Zaidan? So anyone wants to answer?
Naam
Hal
yansuru. Naam yansuru Zaidan.
Okay, the meaning for this, Sister Farah and all the participants, will be like, did he help Zaid? Okay, like Zaid is the one who is being held, and who is helping Yansuru? We understand that he is also incorporated in Yansuru, right? The third person is already. So we ask, did he help Zaid? So the action is being done on Zaid. Okay, so you said yes, Naam, yes, Yansuru, he helped Zaid. Okay, so same goes. Hal Yansuruna Zaidan?
Naam yansuruna Zaidan.
Okay, keep replying to the answers. Okay, we have 4. Okay. Okay. Hal tansuru Zaidan? When I asked you, did you help Zaid? So you replied,
Naam ansuru Zaidan.
yes, I helped Zaid. Okay. So when I asked you, hal tansuruna Zaidan? Did you all help Zaid?
Naam nansuru Zaidan.
Okay, now very good. MashaAllah, you repeated it, and I want to clear. See, when we go to tansuruna, okay, we have already added wow noon, but when we say we, so it will be no wow noon in the end, it will be nansuru only. Okay, not nansuruna is incorrect. Okay, It can come in your quiz also. This question is important. So well done. All the stars, sun, moon, badges, mashallah for all of you. Let's go to the next verb. Okay. Next table is yakhluqu. It comes from khalaqa, of course. Okay, so let's see. Once I will do it and you guys will repeat then, inshallah. Yakhluqu, he creates or he will create. Yakhluquna, they create or they will create. Takhluqu, you create or you will create. Akhluqu, I create or I will create. Takhluquna, you all create or you all create or you all will create. So it shows both present and the future tense. Okay, nakhluqu, we create or we all will create. So anyone wants to revise this table, please? Just for your practice purpose, sisters and brothers, anyone.
يخلق, he creates. يخلقون, they create. تخلق, you create. أخلق, I create. تخلقون, you all create. نخلق, we create.
MashaAllah. If I do move the slide like this, can you do it? Can you do it like without seeing the slide? Just a question. You can try, right?
Can try.
Okay, please go ahead.
يخلق, يخلقون. تخلق, تخلقون.
Takhluqu, akhluqu.
أخلق, and what?
Takhluquna, takhluquna.
تخلقون. أخلق. أخلق.
Nakhluqu.
ن-
MashaAllah.
نخلق, sorry.
Okay, Jazakallah. It's good, sister, that you use your brains. Okay, always keep utilizing your brain. I will give you a tactic now. Just mute yourself. I will say, okay, I will tell you. See, when you used this mudare, when we started, I said the beginning will change. Okay, so the key is for them or he, like the third person, or she, he, third person for them. We have added ya. Okay, just keep in mind. Okay, for you yourself, you, when I say you in English, okay, yani tum, okay, anta. So remember anta means ta. Okay, so we have added for you in this mudare ta. Okay, akhluku means ana. Remember ana, me, I. Okay, so we have added in khalaka, we have added hamza, alif, okay. When we do it for takhlukuna, you all, we mean we try to add ta, means antum, you all. Okay, so we have again added ta. Okay, then when we remember, we have read a table nahnu, us. Okay, for prepositions. So nahnu, us. So we have added we, in we create, we added nakhluku. Okay, so this is the technique. Ya for them, for me, us, me. Okay, ta for you, like antum, and ta again for antum, you all, and na again for all of us, nahnu, from nahnu. Okay, let's do this session fast. The dialogue. Hal yakhluqu?
لا
Anyone?
يخلق.
لا.
Okay, let this sister Yasmin. I think Nayyar Yasmin. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, go ahead.
نجل.
Hal yakhluqu?
لا يخلق.
La yakhluqu. La means no. Okay. Okay. Hal yakhluquna?
لا يخلقون.
La yakhluquna. Hal takhluqu?
لا أخلق.
La akhluqu. Okay. Hal takhluquna?
لا نخلق.
La nakhluqu. Okay, now I will thank you, sister Jazakallah. Why we have mentioned la here? There is a concept that, of course, we are not authorized to create anything. Only Allah has the power to create, right? So we added la as no. Okay. So there might be a question in your mind that why we have not added ma and we have added la, because the verb tense is changed. Okay, like in past tense, fil madi, we have used ma for no, saying no. Okay, in mudare, we for saying no, we will use la with the verb. Okay, so it will be la yakhluqu. La we have somewhere, of course, in our mind that we cannot create. So I didn't set you to answer in no, but you have to, of course, answer in no, because it's not in our control that we create anything, right? So we say, okay, la yakhluqu, la yakhluquna, la akhluqu, la na. Words like active voice and passive voice noun in the sentence. هل يخلق شيئا؟
لا يخلق شيئا.
Okay. هل يخلقون شيئا?
لا يخلقون شيئا.
Okay. هل تخلق شيئا?
لا أخلق شيئا.
Okay. هل تخلقون شيئا?
لا نخلق شيئا.
Great, perfect. So you get the meaning of, understand the meaning of these sentences, right? Did he
Yes.
create anything? Did you create? Did I create anything? So we said no, la. No, we did not. He did not. She did not. Let's go to the next dialogue. Okay. Man yakhluqu. Man, we remember who. Man means who, right? So man yakhluqu. I asked you who creates? Who creates, right? Or who will create? So you answered me, Allahu yakhluqu. Yeah. Yeah. Allahu yakhluqu means Allah will create or Allah creates. Okay. So congratulations. We have gone through another set. Let's go towards the homework part. Okay. So let's see what verbs were there. Zakara. From Zakara, we made it yaskuru, yaskuruna, like he remembers, they remember, they will remember. Taskuru, you remember, you will remember. Askuru, I remember, I will remember. Taskuruna, you all remember, you all will remember. Naskuru, we remember or we all will remember. Anyone wants to go ahead and repeat this table? Yeah, Sister Sidra.
Yes, Guru, he remembers. Yes, Guruna, they remember. Das Guru, you remember. As Guru, remember. Nas Guru, we remember.
Perfect, mashallah, jazakallah, sister. So, then and then ta, and then na. Let's go ahead. Yabudu, he worships or he will worship. Yabuduna, they worship or they will worship. Tabudu, you worship or you all will worship. Abudu, I worship or I will worship. Tabuduna, you all worship or you all will worship. Nabudu, we worship or we all will worship. Any volunteer for this slide, please?
Yes, I.
Yeah, please. Go ahead, sister.
يعبد, he worship or he will worship. يعبدون, they worship or they will worship. تعبد, you worship, you will worship. أعبد, I worship, I will worship. تعبدون, you are worship, you are will worship. نعبد, we worship, we will worship.
Perfect, mashallah. You did the pointing, like you did use your hands for TPI, right? If you will use your hands, it will be beneficial for you to remember, it will help you to remember. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Next slide, we have 4 verbs and we show 4 patterns of verb. Okay, so it is fataha, 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 madi, yaftahu, mudare, iftah. Okay, we will come to know that, so I will not touch it now. Fataha, yaftahu, iftah. Then nasara, yansuru, unsur. Daraba, yadribu. Yadribu is mudare. Okay, same verb, daraba. Samia, yasma'u, and isma. Isma is to come in your lessons. It will be fail amr. Okay, so let's not discuss it. We have 4 patterns of verb: fataha, nasara, daraba, samia, on which we will work. We will repeat it so many times, inshallah, that you guys will be familiar with this slide. Let's go and take a faster look at this. This is the homework we have already read. Yansuru, okay, I will do it fast. Yansuru, yansuruna, tansuru, ansuru, tansuruna, nansuru. Then yakhluqu, yakhlukuna, takhluqu, akhluqu, takhlukuna, nakhluqu. Okay, yaskuru, yaskuru, yaskuruna, taskuru, askuru, taskuruna, naskuru. Okay, ya'budu, yabuduna, ta'budu, abudu, ta'buduna, na'budu. Okay, these are questions. We have to just convert the English into Arabic. Ma yansuru, who means him. Okay, who means him, whom. We have already read these tables. So who helps him? Man means who, and yansuru means help. Okay, so who helps him? Allazina yaskuruna Allah, those who remember Allah. La yabuduna ghayrallah, la means no. So they do not worship anyone, worship because it's abada, so worship comes. Okay, ghayrallah, except Allah or apart from, other than Allah. Okay, then translate the following into Arabic. Wayansuruhu, and he helps him. Zaid is a mistake here. Who means him. Okay, so you guys will write and he helps him. Okay, yaskuruna Allah, they remember Allah. Okay, yaskuruna, they remember, and Allah is mentioned, so they remember Allah. Tansuruka, you help Ka means you, okay? Tansuru ka, you help him. I think Khalid, okay. Khalid is mentioned, I think it's a
And
type.
Luka, you help yourself.
You help
Or-
yourself. Okay. Ka is for you. Ka is for you again. So tansuru is for you, and then again ka. You help yourself. Okay. Hal ta'buduna Allah. Naam na'budu naam na'budu Allah. Okay. Halillahu yakhlukuna. Naam Allahu yakhlukuna, because Allah is the one who created us. Okay. Naam, yes. Hal taskununa Rahman. So you guys remember Rahman, Naam Naskuru Rahman, and I think we have no time left. So Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni Deen, Allahumma inni as'aluka tayyiban. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka fi amanillah. I will sign off now.
Thank you.